Hello mga mommies! Welcome to my vlog. Vlogs, or vlog, whatever. I am Mommy Emmy, ang inyong bagong financial advisor pagdating sa utang. So now, I'm going to teach you kung paano mag-register sa Bukas PH. First, type Bukas PH. Then, please click po the register. Then, type your name, full name hindi full name ni kapitbahay. Then, your personal email address para kung kumustahin ka ni Bukas if you are officially registered. Then, your number. Next is your school or training center. So, kung saan mo plan mag-aral or if you already enrolled, kung saan ka naman naka-enrolled, let us try to see the sample loan computation. Clarify ko lang mga mamis na not necessarily na-enrolled ka bago ka maka-register kay Bukas PH. Kasi even if you already registered, on the top of the dashboard, you cannot proceed to the loan kung wala kang assessment form coming from the school. So, I'd like to share with you my assessment form kasi pinapasa kasi ito during your application loans or loan. Hindi kayo makapag-proceed without the assessment forms. But before that, syempre, mag-register muna tayo before we proceed. So, as you can see, let's try if ever my tuition is 30,000 pesos. Then, the maturity is 9 months. So, that will be my monthly payments. So, amounting 3,978.33. Alright? So, now, let's move on to the birth date or password. So, it's up to you kung ano yung password na ilalagay mo. Then, the same with confirm. Then, for the terms and conditions, so honestly, hindi ko siya binasa na naman. Pero, wag niyo akong gayahin. Kasi read it if you have time. So, ang ginagawa ko lang is piniprint ko as what I have discussed it by my previous video na print ko lang siya. Then after that, nung magka-time ako, saka ko siya binasa. Kasi it's a waste of time dahil sobrang haba niya. Before that, after mo siya binasa or hindi binasa, press lang or click I agree. Believe that Bukas PH has a fair agreement and the SIC will not let them operate, diba? If their service will harm us, will harm the borrower rather. And honestly mga mommies, never naman ako nagka-issue kay Bukas PH. Instead, Bukas really helps me a lot with my tuition fees. So, actually magagamit ko pa siya for my future studies kasi I am planning to mag-doctorate by after this. So, hoping for that. Then next, so be honest tayo mga mommies kung saan natin siya nakita. Kasi ako sa FB page mismo ng school namin. Then, hi! Let's explore mga mommies! Next ka lang dito ng next. Then, apart from here, sa profile mo, na siya makikita. So, you should put a true information. So, next ka lang din. Then, next ka lang din. Then, dito kasi, makikita natin to siya sa dashboard natin once we already registered. So, malayo pa tayo sa exciting part mga mamis. Huwag tayo excited. So, next lang. Then, dito naman, makikita natin to once our application has been processed. So, it has 3 to 5 days before ma-disburse ang pera sa school. So, because that is for subject for evaluation pa if you are qualified for the loan. And also, they need to check your proof of income. So, next naman, if Bukas PH wants you to revise, madali lang po yan kasi may instruction naman siya. So, i-follow nyo lang siya. Then, next lang po, ito mga mommies tip ko sa inyo para ma-approve at hindi tayo ma-reject. At pag na-reject, sasabihin agad scam, di ba? Before kayo umutang or maybe lahat naman ata ng nagpapautang starts with a small amount kasi ako, Kaya po ako na-approve ni Bukas PH dahil nag-start ako sa amount of 10,000. So, maiintindihan mo naman si bukas kung bakit siya choosy pagdating sa pautang. Kasi kung agad-agad kayong umutang ng 60,000, your tuition come up, syempre kakapasa pa lang. Itinitest pa tayo ni bukas if you are a good borrower. Then after that, once na-test na tayo na we are a good borrower, syempre, ang gagawin ni bukas, sila pa yung magsasuggest sa'yo to avail more of tuition fees. Ganon si bukas, but not sure kung the same pa rin ang principle ni bukas this year kasi hindi naman ako aabot sa 100,000 of limit kung hindi ako naging good borrower ni bukas. And that's why mga mommies, make sure na umutang ayon sa pangangailangan, hindi yung umutang ng pang-birthday lang para magmukhang bongga lamang. Then, if the loan has been approved, magme-message naman sa inyo si bukas page if they already disburse your tuition fees. So, ito na yung sinasabi ko in my previous video na wala tayong mahahawakan. Instead, dinidisburse nila directly to the school kasi binabayad siya agad-agad sa school. So, you'll need to wait 1 to 2 days, working days. Pero sa akin po, based on my experiences, umabot siya yung sa first day lang, yung sa first ko pang umutang, umabot siya ng 5 days, sorry. Umabot siya ng 5 days, pero dapat i-follow up nyo lang yung school kasi maybe busy si cashier ng school, hindi agad-agad na-disburse, parang ganun. Then after that, welcome aboard mga mommies! You can explore and start processing your loan. So this time, ang maipapakita ko po sa inyo is my dashboard. So from this, I already have 2 active installments accounts. Meaning po, may 2 pa akong binabayarang tuition fees. So, for my master studies, then ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung installment plan ko na matatapos na siya by this coming March 21, 2024. At ako'y malapit na din pong makapagtapos. Matapos sa utang at ako'y makapagtapos na din. Yay! And I'd like to share with you my complete payments as my proof na ilang beses na po ako umutang kay Bukas Pay. At yon lamang po mga kapatid sa pananampalataya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!